In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer Solana from Binance to a Phantom wallet step by step. This is a very common process if you're moving your Sol off an exchange and into a self-custody wallet, so you can use it for DeFi, NFTs, staking, or simply hold it securely. Before we start, a quick and important disclaimer. I am not responsible for any lost funds. Always double check wallet addresses, networks, and amounts before confirming any crypto transfer. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, open your Phantom wallet. You can do this on your phone or browser extension, depending on how you're using Phantom. Once Phantom is open, tap on Receive. From the list of supported assets, select SOL. Phantom will now show your Solana wallet address. Carefully copy the address. This is the address where your Solana will be sent. Make sure you copy it exactly. Even one wrong character can result in permanent loss of funds. Now, switch over to the Binance app and log into your account. From the home screen, tap on Assets. This is where Binance shows all your wallet balances. Inside Assets, tap on Send. This option allows you to withdraw crypto from Binance to an external wallet. Next, choose On-Chain Withdrawal. This is important. We are manually sending SOL over the Solana blockchain, not using Binance Pay or internal transfers. Now search for and select SOL, Solana, as the asset you want to withdraw. In the address field, paste the Phantom wallet address you copied earlier. Once pasted, Binance will automatically detect and auto-match the Solana network. Always confirm that the network selected is Solana SOL. Next, enter the amount of SOL you want to transfer. You can choose a partial amount or your full balance, depending on your preference. Before confirming, pause for a moment and double check. The wallet address is correct. The asset is SOL. The network is Solana. The amount is correct. Once everything looks good, tap Confirm. Binance will now ask you to complete security verifications. This may include email confirmation, two-factor authentication, or biometric verification, depending on your account settings. After verification, Binance will process the withdrawal. Solana transactions are usually very fast, so in most cases, the SOL will appear in your Phantom wallet within minutes. You can always check the transaction status in Binance's withdrawal history if needed. And that's it. You've successfully transferred Solana from Binance to your Phantom wallet. Once again, remember, always double check addresses and networks. I am not responsible for any lost funds. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button.